Hello, I'm Betty Woodman. E-culture, what does e-culture mean to me? So e-culture really enables communication, right? Online communication within a worldwide community, and it offers the possibility of connection, understanding, and belonging within the human family. And it also, for me, represents the potential of tapping into our collective unconscious or our collective consciousness, fields of consciousness that include both patterns that enable our highest levels of thriving and flourishing, power to and power with, resonant fields, and also fields that may interfere with that, fields of power over and power from conformity that limit and disempower us. So our e-culture makes these fields visible, right? Because we are looking at worldwide all of what is happening, all of what sort of plays out, and also helps us recognize that there are choices to be made, right? Um, because of the fact that we have the opportunity for worldwide communication and dialogues, we really can be looking at ways that we can strengthen the energetic fields that encourage the flourishing of humanity and nature. What's my vision for the future of e-culture? I think that there's really tremendous potential, and it offers a framework for the human family to really see our common challenges and our collective potential. Riane Eisler's work that distinguishes between partnership and dominator cultures and systems is very relevant here. I think very important here. And it provides a spectrum, a scale to be able to understand where we are and how we can improve. The fact that there's variability means that there are choices and different kinds of behaviors that can come from that. My work involves training formats that bring some of this to light, right? It uses existential analysis in order to look at some of the social norms that promote either positive or negative behaviors aligned with partnership or dominator cultures and systems. These norms can often be like the water we're swimming in because we've grown up with them and they're part of the everydayness of our culture, of our experience. And so existential analysis, which can be used in a group format training, really can provide us with a little distance, a way to widen back and get a bird's eye view of what's happening there. So that happens within training formats, but the opportunity within e-culture to be looking at intercultural dialogues and communication means that this kind of approach could really bring us together and unite us in seeing our common challenges and ways we may address them, in order to sort of achieve the flourishing and thriving communities that we want. So again, I'm Betty Woodman. I am from New Hampshire in the United States of America, and I'm delighted to be part of this very interesting exchange.